guys, it's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft like always, and yeah, that's so we're trying to achieve every single achievement there is. So far, with me not recording because my camera was not working this whole time, so pretty much what has happened is that I've earned monster hunting, getting an upgrade. Monster hunter, getting an upgrade, and there I've also gotten farming and like 10 achievements so far. But I really don't know all of their names. I should know all of their names, and right now I don't know what I'm doing. Because it was nighttime a few seconds ago, and I saw an Enderman right over there, and a zombie right over there. Well, I don't really think it was a zombie, I think it was a husk. And those guys give you hunger if they attack you, and they also do not catch on fire. So they're pretty much a type of very lucky zombies. So yeah. And now let's get some breakfast. Maybe get either some chicken or cooked pork chops. I don't really know what I have for food. And that llama has been there for like 2 or 3 Minecraft days and 1 real life day. Okay. We're taking some serious damage and we are really hungry. That's seriously still. Never mind. So we got some chicken and nothing else. So let's eat our chicken. Okay. So we should start getting all of our health back. Oh, look, a cow. Oh yeah, we do need lots of leather to like make some leather armor and start off with that. And then we could go off to, like, oh my gosh, it gave me 2 leather like right away. So you can start like making iron armor after that. Then after iron armor, we could find a village and get chain armor. And after chain armor, golden armor, and golden armor is the same as leather armor, kind of, just different materials and harder to get, and it's pretty much useless. And then onto diamond armor. And there's no other type unless we had the emerald modded, I would say. Emerald armor. What am I doing? Emerald armor is kinda better than diamond. It is actually better than diamond because diamond fills up all of your armor chestplate thingies, right? But emerald armor gives you extra chestplate thingies, and so yeah. So let's take this leather out, but that's not enough. Not enough leather. We only have 3 pieces of leather. We need 1 more. Okay. So, yep, we need 1 more. But we do not need any more glass bottles. So let's fill them up and turn them into water bottles. Because we are very, very thirsty. Well, we don't really have the thirsty mod, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, have we gotten any sugar cane? Hasn't grown up yet. I really don't know what this weird hole is, and I don't know why I went in it. Oh, we need to make a boat. Okay. Let's make ourselves a boat when we figure out a way to get on top of this mountain. I wish that every time you got a glass bottle and then turned it into a water bottle and then you right clicked it, it turned into a random potion. That'd be so awesome. And right now I wish it was like that because I don't know. Mwahaha. Wait a minute, what? Okay. It's telling me that I could make dirt, and I was like, what? Wait a minute, let's... So you need gravel, then 2 pieces of dirt to make chorus dirt. Okay, that's pretty interesting. And that's not coming back. So let's get some gravel and see what chorus dirt is. This is diorite, I know. Oh, it's andesite. Mwaha. Need gravel, not andesite. They are kind of pretty similar. That's some more andesite. That's gravel. Why am I only getting flint? Okay, so I got 2 flint and 1 gravel. Okay, now we can make coarse dirt. Wait a minute, I have a question. Can you do this to what is the difference in coarse dirt and regular dirt? See, we are lost. No, we lost. Okay, we didn't. Okay. How do I know we are not lost? Because look at this beautiful flower garden. And look at this beautiful, very tall tree. Mwahaha. Okay, that's just weird. Mwahaha. That's just weird. Mwahaha. That's just weird. And I saw a chicken. Or was it a skeleton? With leather helmet. Who cares? We're still really like hungry. This is coarse dirt, and this is regular dirt. Look at coarse dirt. Okay. Let's see what that. Okay, that was useless. Ah, come on, seriously. Oh, I did change my skin back to regular Steve. I'm still trying to make a bed. Okay. Out of order. Yeah, don't mind about that. Mwahaha. Okay, I'm just being weird. Mwahaha. Mwaha. I didn't even bring any torches. Mwahaha. Where am I even going? Up or down? Okay, I'm going down. Mwahaha. Okay, it's just really hard to move when you're doing that. Mwahaha. I am a Steve. Mwahaha. Mwahaha. Okay. Now I'm gonna shake my butt. Wanna see me shake my butt? Shaking my booty at you. Mwah, ha, 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 ha. Whatever. Just being weird. So we are looking for some torches. 40. Oh gosh. Okay, we can get rid of that. So if we break chorus dirt, it stays as chorus dirt. Okay, I thought it would turn back into regular dirt, but it didn't. So we are all looking for some iron, and that's already cooked. And we need to have some lunch. Okay, that was very useful. Okay, not supposed to happen. Now we should be regenning a little quicker. Why haven't I got an upgrade that like makes your health go up like really fast when you're not hungry? Well, I have gotten that upgrade, but only if I'm on peaceful. Right now we're in easy. And we haven't found any mine shafts or iron or any other ore that's... Okay, we have found ourselves some iron. Told ya! Right when we were talking about it, we got it. Okay, we are very lucky, because every time I talk about iron ore and never finding it, it just happens. But only when I'm recording. That's pretty weird. But it also happened once when I wasn't playing in my computer. I was playing in my PlayStation 4, and yep, it happened. I was talking about not getting any kinds of ore while I was escaping from a ravine I fell into, and when I escaped from it, I got myself some iron because it was like right on top of me. Okay, have some smelting to do. So you have 8 iron ore. It's turning back to nighttime, and I only got 8 pieces of iron. That's enough for 1 chest plate, I think. Have our leather, so we could have some useful armor, and we do have a lot of cobblestone and ladders. So let's make a new pickaxe because I'm getting bored of my pickaxe. Because it's... Okay, whatever. Very broken, and this video has 2 minutes left. So you gotta pay attention to the timer. You guys can't see the timer, but like my screen has like oh look, 5, 6. So okay, whatever. Doesn't really matter what I was gonna say. Okay, so you got 7. Last one, okay. Last piece of iron, okay. That's good. So let's see. Can make shears. Okay, we can make flint and steel, which is very useful. We need some flint and steel. We have flint. First, let's make iron, like armor. Can't even talk today. We made some boots. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we can make 1, 2, 3, 4 pants, but... Or we could make a helmet. For now, let's make flint and steel because it's a weapon. Now we can make a new pickaxe, the stone pickaxe. And we could make an iron pickaxe.